Howdy y'all, before today's video starts, I do want to give a disclaimer. This is not in any way an educational video. This video is going to be based off of my own knowledge that I've got from like YouTube and, reading up on a couple things. So yeah guys, I just want to give you a heads up on that and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Howdy y'all. Welcome back to another video guys. Today we are going to be installing the rear lower control arms and tow arms. I'm very excited and I've never done this before. Now some of you guys are going to be wondering, hey, what kind of lower control arms did you get? I'm about to explain it to you guys. So inside this box right here is going to be the lower control arms. Now these came straight from Japan, so you know this shit gonna be legit. Go ahead and take that out. And here in this box is going to be the tow arms. Just take this out. So here it is. I went ahead and went for Cusco's. I went ahead and went for Cusco's. I know this is a very popular brand, and you know what? What attracted me the most was the blue. So call me stupid, but I think this is gonna be a great product. I heard too many good reviews on it, so I had to jump for it. I could have went for, SPL or whatever the fuck you call it, or Megan Racing, but you know what? I just had to go for Cusco. I mean, I did a lot of looking around, and you know what? I felt like this would be the best option. I hope you guys think it is as well. Like I said before, I haven't done this before, so wish me luck. Hopefully I could drive the car by the end of this, and yeah, let's just get started. I totally forgot about one thing. This is a Japanese product, okay? This is straight from motherfucking Japan, baby. I think. It's Cusco JDM. Because of that, it came in instructions that I don't fucking understand. So that's where the YouTube's gonna come in handy. Not to mention the most important thing is the torque specs, okay? I'm probably gonna have to, give me a second.
Just to simply lift up your knuckle and help you align all the holes that go through the control arm. If you're doing this on jack stands and a regular jack.
Alrighty y'all, we have the wheel off now. So what we are gonna be replacing, like I said, are gonna be the lower control arms, which are these right here. And then I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I don't know how to replace the tow arms, but I mean, fuck it, we ball. We're gonna do the best that we can, okay? So we'll worry about that later. But first, let's go ahead and take these off. Alrighty, as you guys can see, we finally got the stock LCAs out. Very disgusting. I don't know what type of gunk they put on this or if it's just from me driving for a while. But yeah, here we have it. I'm gonna go ahead and place it side by side next to the aftermarket one from Cusco and show you guys what the difference looks like. This is the stock LCA and this is gonna be the Cusco LCA. I did tell you guys, I don't know much about this. According to the videos and the stuff I read up on, you wanna first match the length of the stock ones with the aftermarket ones and then install them and then adjust from there. With the nuts right here, you see that there's 3 nuts, okay? 1, 2, 3, okay, I could count. Now, from what I see, you wanna make sure that this one, this very bottom one, is tightened down because if I'm not wrong here, this will pop all out and it's, I don't know, it's just a bitch and a half, okay? So we wanna tighten that part. Why do you guys even watch me? Subscribe so you get new wheels. When this top bolt is tightened, we can't move this around. But when it's loose, right here, we have full range of adjustability, okay? Alrighty, y'all. I think I have it just about the same length here. I mean, what do you guys think? I think I did okay. If anything, we could always readjust. Anyways, let's just go ahead and install this and see where it takes us. There we go. Almost there. Oh my god. Can't believe I did it. Oh, fuck me. It's officially on. Okay, hoping that I did everything correctly. Nothing should be damaged. Alrighty, I don't even know how much shit I have on my face now. We're gonna go ahead and just start on the tow arms. I have the Cusco tow arms right here, like we did with the LCAs. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one out, and then I'm gonna try to replicate the size of that with this one, okay? So let's get started on that. Holy fuck, wait, how big is this bolt? Oh my god. Alrighty. Oh, okay. That's a washer. Okay.
Your foot looked broken.
Yeah. All right. We should have taken this off first because now that I'm trying to do this, the back part's moving and it's restricting me from actually undoing that bolt. That was like fucking tightened by Hercules. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back on real quick just to place it in. That way I get some room so that I could undo this and then we could take out the tow arm. Now. Oh, I finally got it out. Holy fuck. Okay, let's try to mimic the same length off of this bitch and install it. Alrighty, I went ahead and adjusted these two. I think this is about the same length right here, so let's go ahead and throw these on. Hopefully it's not gonna be as difficult as taking it out. All right, well, I really had to get my lady to help me, but we finally got it in. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put the wheels back onto the car, I'm gonna torque it down, and then I'm gonna do the other side, and then hopefully this car doesn't break on the way to an alignment shop. Before the video continues, as you guys just seen, we finished one side of the car. Now, I'm stopping back in to let you guys know that I screwed up. Before I explain, this video wasn't really planned out as well. Like mentioned before, I've never really done an install on LCAs and tow arms before. And given my low amounts of knowledge, my tools that are provided, I ended up using a 12-point socket instead of a 6-point socket. And that resulted into just shaving off the factory nut that had to go onto one of the OEM bolts for the LCA. So that led us to have to make multiple trips. We ended up going to AutoZone, Harbor Freight. We couldn't find any nut that would fit the thread pitch on the bolt. So we ended up going to Ace Hardware and we were able to find something to replace that bolt. Even though it didn't really feel that right to use a random nut onto like an actual LCA bolt. Either way, we bought it, we brought it home, and lo and behold, I messed up even more. What ended up happening was I completely stripped the bolt. Now during this time, this was a weekend. I couldn't overnight parts. It would have to be during the weekday. And because it would have to be a weekday, those are the times that I work. So I'm very limited when it comes to, you know, doing this YouTube stuff and finding the time to work on my car. So what ended up happening was I had to special order these parts from Toyota. I had to wait an additional day, came to go pick up that part, and then during the weekday, I ended up going back to fix the mistake I made. It's probably the worst thing that could happen at the worst time for me. I was on a time crunch and that ended up getting ruined because of that strip bolt. These are the nut and bolts that I special ordered from Toyota. Here it is. So it's this bolt and nut, and if I'm correct, it should go on fairly easy. And simply because of the mistake of me using 12 points on obviously the 6-point nuts, like any fucking person would use, I never want to make that same mistake again. So I ended up stopping by O'Reilly's and I picked up a 6-point socket set, 2 of them actually, so that I don't make the same mistake again. Without further ado, it is currently 7:23 p.m. on a weekday, and let's just get started on fixing this thing. So I ended up taking out the entire lower control arm. I want to adjust it while it's out of the car, just so that I could get just the right amount of camber for now. That took a couple tries, so I finally have it set to the right one I want. As of right now, I'm constantly taking on and off the wheel, just because I am adjusting the toe arms. The toe is sticking outwards now. So obviously this is a toe arm. Now what I'm doing is, after every time I test fit the wheels and check the toe, and obviously it's been incorrect, what I would do is I'm just undoing this. I'll just call it a nut. There's 2 nuts holding this in place. There's this one right here, and then there's also this one. There's this one right here. So there's this one, and then there's that one on top. And then once you get those loose, you could adjust. You could use this middle rod to adjust the toe in, toe out, and then that's how I've been slowly like trying to dial in the fitment. So after I went ahead and installed the newly ordered bolt and nuts for the LCAs, I tried to align the car as best as possible because I could not find a shop that would want to align my car. No one wanted to work on aftermarket parts. No one wanted to like work on cars with like aftermarket suspension, you know, stuff like that. And I was lucky enough to find this one auto shop that was willing to do it for me. And I didn't really film anything else after that. It was more of get this done and over with type of thing. I was really excited at the beginning of this video, but as you guys may have noticed, you know, I kind of realized how deep I was going. I was really contemplating on whether or not I should upload this video, but I want to be real, and I don't want to just not show you guys something simply because I made a mistake. I want to be able to show people that, you know, beginners or experts, we all make mistakes here, and it's okay to make mistakes. I was pretty butthurt about the whole thing, you know. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I ended up getting it aligned. Everything's good. And yeah, this isn't really one of them normal bend slow videos I would upload. Neither is the next one that's coming up. Stay tuned for that. It's just something different. I want to show you guys my raw experience in doing this for the first time and show you how it went. You know, everyone's experience is different, and I so happen to be the one who fucked up, of course. But you know, shit happens. It's okay. We resolved it and there's no looking back, you know? But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, something different, but you know, I was really deciding whether or not to upload it, but you know, here I am showing you guys, you know, I'm not trying to, you know, like people make mistakes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned because there will be another video uploaded soon. And I hope you guys enjoy that one too. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's different. Go ahead and drop a like, a subscribe. That'll help out the channel a lot. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you guys then. Peace.